Morning students. Today I am going to start with your chapter number 7, permutations and combination. In this permutation students, we are using one of the fundamental principle of counting we are using here. If an event can occur m different ways following with another event can occur in n different ways, then the total number of the occurrence of the events in the given order is m into n. Right students? This is the fundamental principle of counting. We say it as FPC. So we are going to make the use of this theorem, this fundamental principle of counting, here in the exercise 7.1. So let us see students, in the 7.1 exercise, your question number 1 is, how many 3 different numbers can be formed from the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, assuming that number 1, the repetition of the digit is allowed, number 2, the repetition of the digit is not allowed. Now students, here we having the digit 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the tens place, ones place. This is the tens place students, and this is the hundred place. Now students, here in the first part it is given to you that the repetition of the digit is allowed. What its meaning? Its meaning is that unit place, tens place or hundred place can be filled by any number from the given data, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, the number of the base that will come as equal to 5 into 5 into 5, that is equal to 125 students. This is the solution of the first part. Now let us come with the second part here students. That is, here the second part is the repetition of the digit is not allowed. Now what its meaning? The repetition is not allowed. Try to understand it students, because we have to fill the 3 digit here. It means if one digit we are using, we will not repeat that digit again here at that place. It means each place of the 3 digit number will be filled in the following manner. The 100 place digit can be filled with 5 base. Here we can use the 5 base students. How the 5 base? First we will use 5 here, secondly 4 here, then 3 here, then 2 here, then 1 here. Means there are 5 ways to fill it. Means here we will say that number of base that is equal to 5 base here. Whatever the digit, that for example if I use the digit 5 here, because this digit I have used here, now the rest of the digit are 4 there. Right students? Now the second digit we will take, there will be 4 is there, and there are the 4 ways. Maybe 4, maybe we can use 3, maybe we can use 2, maybe we can use 1 here. For example, if I am using 4 here, means there is the 4 way, that is 4, 3, 2, 1, any digit we can take here students. Means 4 ways are there. After that, at the ones place, now we are left with the 3 digit here. So there are the 3 ways then students. So the number of the base that will come as equal to 5 into 4 into 3, that is equal to 60 is there students. Means in that case the number of the base that will come as equal to 60 here students. Let us come with question number 2 students. How many 3 digit even number can be formed by the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Now we have to use the even digit here students. Even digits, that is we having 2, 4 and 6. Right? Now in that case students, we are using 2, 4, 6. Now here I am going to tell you, this is the digit that is at ones place, or we can say that is unit place. This is at the 10 place, this is at the 100 place. Right students? Now because you know we having the 3 even numbers there, 2, 4 and 6. Now the digit that we can use here, because you know that at the unit place, if we have to form a even number, we have to use 2, 4 or 6. Right students, there are 3 ways there, means here to represent it there are 3 ways. Either we can use 2, either we can use 4, either we can use 6 here students. Now how many ways are there to represent the tens place and the hundred place? Now that any from the 6, means we can use 1, we can use 2, we can use 3, 4, 5, 6 here at the 100 and the 10 place. Therefore there are the 6 bays are there. Right students, so therefore we can say that the total number of the bays, that will come as equal to 3 into 6 into 6, that will come as equal to 108, and 108 will be the answer of this question students. Clear? Let us come with the question number 3 students. How many 4 letters codes can be formed using the 10 letters of English alphabet if no letter can be repeated? Now here students we have how many ways are there, we have to represent it. So let us see, we have to make a code of 4 letters, that is by using the 10 alphabets of English alphabets. So here for the first letter there are the 10 bays, for the second that is equal to 9 bays, for the third that is 8 bays, and for the fourth one that is equal to 7 bays. Means by using the FPC, that is fundamental principle of counting, the total number of the codes that will come as equal to 10 into 9 into 8 into 7, that will come as equal to 5080 then students. Question number 4 is how many 5-digit telephonic numbers can be constructed by using 0 to 9 if the each letter start with 6, 7 and no digit being repeated? देखिए बच्चों, यहाँ पे अगर हमने 5 डिजिट का कोड बनाना है 0 से लेकर के 9 तक, तो हमारे पास टोटल 10 डिजिट बन गया ये. There are 10 digit if we will count 0 to 9 here, but the 6 and 7 first 2 digit that is fixed, means rest we having 8 is left. On the next here, that is at that place, we having the 8 ways now because 2 are fixed. 8 ways are there. Here at the fourth place there are 7 ways are there. Here are the 6 ways are there. Therefore by using the FPC, the number of the bays that will come as equal to, this is they are fixed, that is why I am taking them as 1 and 1. Here are the 8 ways, here are the 7 ways, and here for this one that is 6 ways are there. So if we will multiply them, we will get 336 is there. Next is question number 5 students, same. Question number 6 is given 5 flags of the different color. How many different signal can be generated if each signal requires the use of the 2 flags one below the other? Right students? The upper flag can be selected from the given 5 flags in the 5 different ways. Right students? First flag we can use the 5 ways. After that the lower flag can be selected from the remaining 4 different ways. Therefore what you will see that by using the FPC, the required number of the signal that can be formed, that will come as equal to 5 into 4, that is equal to 20 here students, and the 20 will be your answer of this question. With that question your exercise 7.1 is over.